Every customer order is a promise. Learn how DEXOGLOB streamlines the complete customer order workflow. Let's get started.
Explore the DEXOGLOB dashboard and dive into the item master for product specifics and the inventory for stock of the lunchbox. Check the bill of materials for components, buildable quantities, and mapping details of the lunchbox kit. Head over to the Orders section and select New Order. Input the order code, OMS ID, and customer name. Then choose the lunchbox kit SKU with a quantity of 3. Set the fulfillment flow to production. Assign Hamza as the picker. Set priority to Express and hit Create Order. Switch to the picking section and log in as Hamza using the mobile interface. Enter his credentials to access the picking task queue. Hamza accepts the task, heads to the quarantine area and scans the source location QR code. He scans the lunchbox item QR code, confirms picking of 9 units, then moves to the production area to scan the destination QR code and completes the drop-off. With the drop-off confirmed, the picking task is marked complete. Return to the main dashboard to keep an eye on the order as it moves to the next stage. Jump to the production section and log in as Zaid using the mobile interface to access the production task queue. Zaid begins the assembly task, follows step-by-step instructions, confirms raw materials, marks the shipping label as printed, snaps a quality control photo, and marks the assembly ready to finish the production task. In the packing section, log in as Yusuf on the mobile interface. He selects the packing task for the lunchbox kit, reviews kit details and the customer order, and scans item barcodes for the 3 kits. He confirms the quantity, captures and uploads a quality verification photo, and completes the packing task to mark the kits as ready for dispatch. Head to the dispatch section and log in as Khalid on the mobile interface. Enter his credentials to sign in and kick off the final shipment step for the completed order. Khalid picks the dispatch task from his queue. He scans the dispatch shelf location barcode and the kit barcodes to verify the quantity of 3 kits, then moves to the final dispatch checklist. Khalid wraps up the dispatch checklist. He snaps photos of the shipping label, sealed packaging, and final shipment layout. After verifying requirements and uploading the photos, he submits the task, completing the order fulfillment workflow.